So this is the question. In this question, the switch is at position number 1 initially, and the capacitor is 2 microfarad. And when it is at switch position 1, then this capacitor will be charged as per the voltage given. Now, when the switch is moved to the position number 2, so the question is, what is the percentage of the stored energy dissipated after the switch S is turned to position 2, right? So the options are given 0%, 20%, 75%, and 80%. Now, we have to determine the answer of this question. So, let's see the answer. This is the answer. I hope the screen is visible to you clearly. Now, in this screen, you can clearly see the circuit is initially at position 1, and this is the initial circuit which is working, right? Now, your 2 microfarad capacitor is initially charged to voltage V. This is the voltage V, right? So, the initial energy stored in the capacitor is half CV square. So what is the capacitance value? 2 microfarad. So the value of initial energy stored is 10 to the power minus 6 V square. We don't know the value of V, so we are just taking the value V square Joule, right? Now, as we know, the charge is not destroying, not creating. It is only the conserved state. So initial charge is equal to the final charge. So this initial charge is equal to the final charge. So, just a second, yes. So, initial charge is equal to the final charge. What is the initial charge? This is the initial charge equal to the final charge. What is the initial charge? That is equal to CV, 2 to the power minus 6 into V. Now, what is the final charge? Now, the circuit is in this position. When the switch is moved to the second position, then the circuit is this. Okay. So, this is the circuit. So, now these two resistance are in series. So, 2 plus 8 VF. The voltage, final voltage is VF. So, this 10 VF is equal to 2 in 10 to the power 2 V, right? So, VF is equal to 0.2 V. Now, the final energy stored in the capacitor is half 2 into 10 to minus 6. And what is the voltage? 0.2 V square plus half 8 into 10 to minus 6, 0.2 V square. So this is the VF, which is equal to, after solving this equation, you will get 0.2 minus 10 to the power 6 V square, right? So what is the energy dissipated? Initial energy minus final energy. Your initial energy is 10 to the power minus 6 V square, which we have already determined. And what is your final energy? That is UF. This is 0.2 10 to minus 6 V square. After solving this, you will get 0.8 V square. So what is the percentage? Percentage is 80%. So your option will be, answer will be D. D is the correct answer. Right? So this is the solution of this question. Thank you so much.